Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to withdraw your Polkadot tokens from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to secure your assets in a hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto platforms can change. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Crypto.com account with Polkadot tokens, a Ledger Nano X device, and the Polkadot app installed on your Ledger. If you haven't set up your Ledger yet, open the Ledger Live app on your computer, connect your device, and install the Polkadot app from the app catalog. It's super simple and only takes a minute. Now, log into your Crypto.com account on the app or website. Head over to the Wallets section and select Polkadot. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there. Next, you'll need your Ledger Nano X wallet address. Unlock your Ledger device, open the Polkadot app on it, and connect it to your computer via USB. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, select Polkadot, and copy the receive address. Be careful, double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Back on Crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so review the details one last time. On your Ledger device, approve the transaction by following the on-screen instructions. It'll ask you to verify the amount and recipient. Once that's done, sit tight. The transaction should process quickly, depending on network congestion. In 2025, Polkadot's blockchain is even faster, so you might see your tokens in your Ledger in just a few minutes. Remember, always use a secure connection and never share your seed phrase. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Polkadot. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there.